All right, let's see. All right, what's going on? Today is January 19th, and today's a half day with Martin Luther King Jr. Day, so we got to be, I'm doing half risk today, but we'll see what we can do here. All right, so this is what we're looking at today. Oh, 1 second. There we go. All right, so you got on the 4 hour, we're currently looking at massive dump because of tariff news. So Forex Factory. Not really any news. It's a half day. Like I said, I'm going half risk. We're already down negative 1.59%. Market just opened, and there's still no like volatility. We do have an SMT here. That's something to keep in mind. We have a major SMT. So, but it's kind of like, I mean, this massive gap up here. I'm already down. I would want to say longs, genuinely. But the problem is, we went up, and we respected this fair value gap. So I don't think longs. We're just kind of respecting bearish order flow. So I wouldn't really want to take a long yet, if I take one at all. But it's a huge fair value gap here. If this got invalidated, like went up here, and then retraced here, I'd probably take a long. But it didn't. Didn't get invalidated. So we kind of just have to wait and see. Kind of have to wait and see what happens here. The mic isn't panned to one side now. I fixed the mic issue. I got some light now, which is nice. Some warmer light. Looks a little better. So kind of just gonna chill here, see if we see anything. We'll see. So we printed this little thing right here, process over profit. Pretty cool. There it is. Process over profit. Pretty cool. I got that on my desk. Start selling those. Watching and waiting. I kind of think we're just going to continue downward. I don't want to mark more of these hourly lows, because I think that's what we're going to end up. Just at these hourly lows. Mark those out just because we're very bearish. Look at this hourly fair value gap respected. Potential short opportunity there, but I'm not going overly aggressive. So, all right. Let's see, con, okay. Same thing here, let's mark the hourly. Yeah, it's way. Hourly for ES is not even still over here. Everything's just kind of down right now because these tariffs. Higher time frame. Look at a sell model. Yeah. Same thing with NQ. Higher time frame. Kind of been just consolidating the same spot, to be honest. Market hasn't really moved up or down. Maybe we could. We finally took the low. Too bad we didn't have like a lower time frame, like entry or nothing. Maybe like a 1 minute. Cause I totally probably would have taken a short. Right here. SMT right there. You could have taken this realistically. This was at 8, so I wasn't even on the charts at this point. But I don't really like to take pre-market, low volatility, but it would have been a good trade. I don't even know if I'm going to take one today. We would have to like really reverse here. We'd have to break above this 15 minute for me to take anything. Yeah. So. All right. Like I said, potential trade here. I probably wouldn't even have taken that because it's a half day, low volatility. But realistically, I'm probably not taking that trade. But yeah. So not really a trade for me here. Things could change, but see the volatility. I mean, the futures market's technically open, but you can see it's got this blue line on it because it's technically like not really. Like the volatility from market open, slightly bigger, not the same though. Price is gonna move very slow today. Just gonna chill back. Just gonna look. One of those things where it's like, well, if it gives me an obvious entry, then I'll enter. But if I don't see that, then it's kind of like I wouldn't. But there we go. We're still dumping. Whoa, God. I don't know if you watched the other trade recap, but I got a chunk of this nice move the other day, like here to like here. It's pretty good. Yeah, if I haven't changed the state, but I'm not even gonna be that. I'm not even gonna be that aggressive for a reversal. Slow volatility, like I'd rather miss it. Just preference. Maybe some people are so eager to trade that they will go full size and be very aggressive with their entries, but realistically, anything taken today is probably the most high probability it could be. See, like we're not even getting a reaction off of this low. And this is like London session low, and we're not even getting like a reaction out of it. Like I said, our entry probably would have been a pre-market in this fair value gap here, the hourly fair value gap. Our fair value gap, SMT, little sweep right here. This volatility. It's already 842. We're just dumping. That's how it goes. I'll probably just edit out this part. Okay, you got some. Okay, we're getting some movement here. You'd like to see this. Got some potential. Can't quite jump in anything yet, but you can keep an eye. Got all these stacked for value gaps right here on the 15-minute. Once again, I'm gonna need that change of the state. Decent on the 1 minute. Oh wow, we're actually gonna put good pushes out. It's technically potentially take a trade. I'm gonna try to take that trade though. I'll take that trade. Not even. I'm not even taking this, honestly. Good price action. I like to see this. Has potential, which is always good to see. Love to see it. Wow, that's looking really good on the 1 minute. That's cool. Wow, that's looking really good on the 1 minute, actually. That's cool. Like I said, I need to see a 5-minute change of the state. Still need a bunch more confirmation, but this is the case scenario where we could take a trade. Okay. I'd like to see this. Or I'd like to see this. Okay, where's my pen for? Are we serious? Oh wait, there we go. Up, down, up, some point we gotta retrace here, right? Target these highs up here. There's a great potential here. Looking pretty good. Once again, I wasn't going to take like a 1 minute trade today because of this volatility, but I'm willing to take a trade now. You gotta pull back to here. That'd be incredible. This would be the ideal trade right here. Again, very low risk, but ideally. Are we serious? We gotta have a retrace here at some point. Okay. So we inverse everything. Now I'm gonna see like a retrace or something here. And you see us move down into this one, into one of these. It's gonna move up. Well, we need to retrace. There we go. We can retrace into here somewhere. There we go. Here we go. Come on, let's go like 50% here. Ideally, you could push it here, yeah. It'd be perfect. If ES can push to the 50. So like a 1 hour sweep? Yeah, look at that 1 hour wick. It's a nice wick. I really want to enter now, but I feel like the RR is not there. I'd love to see a retrace. I don't know if we're going to get that here, though. It's just sad, yeah. I know, it looks so good. I really want to enter long. I really do. I want to enter long here. But I need something. Especially with a day like today. Like I need some type of retrace, some type of thing, some type of entry. How about retrace is what we need. Because we're playing it extra safe today. I could have entered long. Okay, so we're just gonna go to the moon, but that's okay. That's fine. It's not a trade I really want to take. I know it's so good, it's like perfect, but we didn't like the 5 minute here. We didn't make the 5 minute change to the state. We finally resolved for value gaps. Now I'd want to see us push down and then go up, but love when it sucks, honestly, because I really wanted to enter right here, but I look at this. If it goes to my, I thought I had it marked out the entire time, but so I'm just gonna sit here and wait. So we're still going up. It's gonna take the trade right here, but I didn't want to do that. Very nice. If we get a retrace to here, that'd be like beautiful. It's like what, 40 points? So that's what? 50 cents a tick, so that'd be $1 times 4, and 4 times 40. It's about 160. There's 2 cons on this. Get a decent enough retrace here. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Asking for a bit more here. Let's get our stop loss like 200 ticks. Kind of watch and wait. I need to see us go a little bit further down. Just a little bit. If we fully reverse here and go to those highs, then that's still not a trade for me. Maybe it's a trade for some people. Like I said, I have it lined up. But ideally, this is what we get. A little bit further. Just a little bit further. Just a tad bit further down. Just a tad bit further. Come on, just go a little bit further. Literally, I've had it marked out. I'm live trading right now. Literally have it marked out on the chart. All right, nice, bro. Like, I need this deep retrace right now. Make sure we're on M and Q contracts. I want to buy on the wrong asset. Come on. I understand there's just a little value gap there on 15-minute. I understand that, but I need this one to get hit. I need lower, ideally, actually, but okay. All right. Literally, what are we talking about? We're talking about like 10 points, just like 10 more points down, and would have been an entry, but. Now what? Now we're going to move up without even a deep retrace. Come on. All right. Was it 916? Like, bro, that's what I'm talking about. Like, I really want to take a trade right now, but I can't. I just can't. I can't. I need a deeper retrace than this. I need a deeper retrace. I need one. I mean, at least on ES. If ES could go down to this 5-minute, I mean, this is just like slow volatility kills you. It really does. There we go. There we go. Whoa. Okay. Push a little further, yes. A little bit further, yes. A little bit further, yes. Come on. Once again, my risk on this is like half of what I usually do. Like, this is so low risk. Like, literally, I think I'm risking $160 in this trade on evaluation when user risk like 250. So. Come on, one more little push. There we go. many ticks is this? 39. Okay. This is very controlled risk. I know it doesn't look too hot right now. Probably should have waited longer, but probably should have waited a little bit longer, yeah. Not looking too hot. That's okay though. Now should have been our entry. Should have entered here. Be rather a big stop though, so. Maybe I took the wrong side though. We did SMT, I didn't see that. I don't know, we're just gonna let this do its thing. We're gonna break even here. Yeah, we're gonna break even at the 101. If we can make it that far right now, we're kind of just dumping. Wow. We just completely reverse and get stopped out. I'm okay with that. That's why I'm low risk. That's what you do. You de-risk and you take trades. Looks cool. That's interesting. Or we were kind of waiting for. Should probably enter on yes. I don't know. I kind of like predicted that though. I was like, well, 50% line probably gonna reverse. Whoa. Okay. I didn't know. I didn't know I was like that. Okay. Like I said. Okay. This is our. This is our BE. It's our 1-1 actually. This is our BE. Yeah, this is our BE. So it's risk-free trade once we hit this. We didn't quite time it. If we took it on ES, we would have like perfectly timed it to a tick. But we did pretty good. We kind of saw it. We kind of entered at okay time. Could have waited a little bit longer. You know, but kind of just gotta chill. It's like you think you got a winning trade, it's just gonna fully reverse and hit you out. But what am I supposed to do? I mean, you saw it live. Watch it just like absolutely tank to my stop loss. Okay, just I don't even want to see this little price action here. Just go to the 5 minute. Like, it's a half day today, so I don't even know if we're gonna hit that. So you never get too happy. The second the market sees you smile, it'll hit your stop loss right away and destroy you. Like I said, I don't care though. It's a low risk. It's literally, I'm literally risking like, I kid you not, like $140, like nothing. So. All right, I'll show it so you guys can see it. Let's see what's going on in the 1 minute. That's valid. I expect us to consolidate for a bit. Okay, there we go. Instant moves up. Once again, it's out of my hands. All that I can do is control what I risk. So, that's all I can do. This is trading for you. Wait. Comes back to your place. Enter. Hands off. Wait. Set your protocol. Wait. It's either I'm correct or I'm incorrect. And being incorrect's not terrible if you have a good strategy. So close to a 1 or 2. Is the 5 minutes? Let's go 1 minute. Anything on the 1 minute? Not really, no. I mean, what down here? If we even reach this, I don't even put my sell limit up here. So 1 there, so 1 or 2. We'll kind of see where we're gonna put the other one. Do we S&T? No, we didn't. Okay. Once again, break even. Let me actually, can I write stuff on this line or no? Are they gonna let me? Frick. Okay, I can put text. Yeah, there's my break even point right there. I think, right? Or said I break even? I mean, yeah, around there. Stop loss set. Reduce risk. We could reduce risk to like $50 if we really wanted to. I'd probably just keep the same risk. I mean, about right. This is what I like about slow price action. Keep you guessing. Keep you on your toes. Keep you on your toes so that you can't even for a second think what it would be like to take profit. About right. About right. About right. Oh. Okay, that was not just the wind. You guys saw that too, right? Uh, I'm sorry, what? Uh, uh, yeah, okay. Um, let's call it here. Let's call it break even. Um, what was that? We bought at 04.5 and we sold at 06. Okay. $2 break even on the day. Yeah, I'm good on that. I'm good. Yeah, I'm gonna break even there. I'll put a decent amount on the trade, but that that was weird. That was kind of weird. So I'm going to stay out of that. The price isn't really even moving. Like I said, this long could have been it, but like, not really. So we took an entry, pretty much break even. That's fine. It's my choice to break even because there's no point in risking more money, especially after a spike like that. I don't know what that was. Even if we had full take profit, I don't really care. Yeah, well, that's that. I guess all that just to break even. But whatever. That kind of panic sell a little bit. I did panic sell a little bit, but because it spiked down, went back up, and then it went back down again, and I was like, okay, well, this isn't good. So, okay, I'm okay with that. That was a good trade. It's a good trade. It's exactly what I wanted to see. It's just the spike right here is what we wanted to see. Everything was what we wanted to see. It's just low volatility today. Seems like the volatility all happened right here, but we didn't really get an entry. So here was actually our entry. We actually entered correct. We still could probably be in the trade, but it's just slow, and I'm not taking a risk after that spike. So yeah, that's it for today.